All right, here she is. DJI O3 air unit with a heat sink on it. 40mm rocket fan. Cheap, shitty gimbal. I've got a new one on the way. And I'll have head tracking, and this is just like a little camera housing I got off AliExpress, and this rangy bolt here to counterbalance it because I can't connect to the software on this piece of crap to adjust it, so I'm just using counterweights. I got a power regulator here, so this goes in the back through the back seat. So I'm using one battery to power the FPV system, and then I'm using a 4S on this to power the SCX6. So when I'm actually going to be running it, I've got body posts there that'll hold this down, and I got it on these little hinges. Normally this is connected to the inside of the body, so you can't really get at your FPV system. And then I got these guys here, 3D printed this mount. Took out the front seat, 3D printed this mount. Waiting on some black PETG to get those finalized. So I'm just gonna plug this in. Oh, one hander. Oh. Okay. She powers up. 8.4 volts, drawing 2 amps. Rocket fan. That's cool. And the body, you hinge it over. You see I got these 2 holes in the back window. I just kind of feed those through, bend them up. These guys are pretty good, I think. I haven't really had too much time to test them out, but yeah, there she is. FPV, baby. Sort of done.